Hey, hi. We're going to see how you can remove watermark from your Gemini pictures. When you're downloading a picture, how do you remove the watermark? Okay. So let me kind of generate an image. Let me say generate an image of a man standing on top of a mountain. Okay, let me just download something. Let me just create something. Generate an image of a man standing on top of a mountain. So let me just extrude this. So you're going to see how you can remove a watermark from these pictures that you get from Gemini, Nano Banana or Gemini, whatever it is, okay, as long as generated by Gemini. All right, so this is the picture and it has this icon for Gemini. All right, so what you do is there's no way you can download this image without actually missing out that watermark. So you can only, after downloading it, you can only use the third party, and I recommend you to install an add-on called Gemini Watermark Removal add-on, right? So Gemini Watermark add-on removal. So there's an add-on for Chrome. I believe there's also for Firefox. I'm not really sure, but what I'm using is for Chrome. So you kind of search Gemini Watermark Removal add-on. So someone did actually an add-on. You click on there, then you add it. It will be added on your browser. It's not a software. It's just an add-on. So it will be added on your software. It will be added on your browser. Okay, here it is. I can easily access all my add-ons by clicking on that. Then you can activate it from there after installing it. Okay, it's a simple tool. Once you click on it, after installing it, you just have to come here, click on that Gemini Watermark Remover. Then you click on this to upload the picture. So let me kind of download my picture. So let me click on here, download full size, and it's done. So I'll come here, then I will just go here, click or drag the file here, then I'll just click on it here, PNG or JPEG. Okay, let me just say remove watermark. Okay, and that is it. It's done within like 1 second. So let me clear down. Let me open this. You realize actually there's no watermark on the bottom right. Okay, so that's how actually you can remove a watermarks from Gemini pictures fast. Okay, no need to install a software or anything. You just actually have to use that. If you download it from here, let me actually just show you the difference. Actually, I already downloaded it. So the regular one looks like this. It has this Gemini icon, but if you upload it the other side, they can give you a version whereby it's not there. Okay, so see you in the next video. Let me know how you found the video, and bye-bye.